Hello and welcome. My name is Stinson, and I want to thank you for joining me for these affirmations. I will say the affirmation and you could either repeat it out loud or to yourself. Let us begin. My body sends me signals and I am learning to hear them. Having fun is not wasting time, it's how I recharge. I notice how different foods make me feel and I choose accordingly. Rest is allowed, not after I earn it, but just because. I pay attention to where my energy goes. I get to decide. I notice how people make me feel, and I choose the ones who feel like a deep breath. Stepping outside is not a break from life, it is life. My skin touches the air, my lungs pull from the trees. I know I belong here. I don't have to be productive to deserve a quiet moment. I stop trying to look like I have it all together and I just live. Some people leave me fuller than I was before, and I spend more time with them. Play is not just for children, it is for anyone who wants to feel alive. I walk barefoot when I can, and I feel the ground hold me. I pay attention to how a meal sits with me in my whole self. I don't need to shrink. I need to feel free in the body I have right now. Putting my feet on the earth reminds me I am never alone. I let go of what was never mine to fix, carry, or prove. My body is not something to constantly improve, it is where I live. Feeling good is always the point. I don't need to escape to nature. I am nature. I just have to keep reminding myself of that. I hope you use these affirmations to reconnect to yourself, feel better, and support your health. Enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.